Hi everyone, welcome to lecturemaker training module. In this module you will learn about constructing a quiz. So lecturemaker come with two type of quiz questions. One is a multiple choice and the other one is short answers. So in these sessions we're going to learn about creating multiple choice quiz. To do that, you can find the modules or the template in the insert folder. Here is it. So you can have a multiple choice quiz as well as short answer quiz. So let's click on the multiple choice quiz. Upon clicking on the multiple choice, you will find that the template provided where you are allowed to key in the questions at these sessions, like for example, what is lecturemaker? Fine. So then you may want to provide the options, like for example, maybe the first option is word processor. Second options maybe a video editing tools, editor. Maybe the third one is authoring tools. Well, it doesn't mean that here you're limited by the three options, but you can add in more if you want to. So to do that, you need to go to the property, right click on the questions, the quiz icons, and go to the object property. Here you will find you may be able to increase the numbers of options. For example, you want to add in one more, you just click just add in another one more. And you're also allowed to choose the symbol that you want. You can have circle, radio button, and so on. So I would like to use the alphabet A, B, C, D. And choice shuffle is where allow you to generate a randomized options, meaning every time when you access to this particular quiz, you may find the options items may be different maybe in a different sequence. So, and you're allowed to have a multiple time of attempt. For example, here I have given the user twice to attempt the questions. The next thing is about the feedback. So if the user answer correctly, you allow them to have the message. You can have also actions and have the sound effect. Similarly, for incorrect answer, you also may have the message, actions, and sound. So let's try with this. Let's say, for example, I would like to have a simple, just have a simple message. Correct. Well done. Maybe that's the message. And then for incorrect, I mean, just give the message on try again. Okay. So, and here we go. If I have the last options, maybe I have it is like maybe a sound editor. Okay. So what we need to do is to click on this, choose on this label to choose which was the right answer. For example, in this case, we all know that lecturemaker is the authoring tool, so click on C. Okay, you may would like to make it smaller size. And by the way, if you would like to change the text of this button, you can also change the button by clicking on the button properties. So here you can have the submit, or you want to have the word check, and you would like to have a color button. If you want to, you can change the color of the button and click OK. Here we go. Let's try and see what happens after when you run this program. Here, this is the questions. Again, you'll find that the sequence are slightly different from the original because you have selected the choice shuffle. So assuming that now if I click on this as an answer with processors and click check, obviously it's wrong. So the text messages appear. Incorrect, try again. If I do it right, this wrong. If I correct, authoring tools. So click on object, and you have the correct text and with the sound effect. So let's move on to further find out more about more about the what else can you do with the quiz. So by the way, if you are clicking on if you are selecting the button, when you go to the properties of the quiz, you may go to the button properties. So if you want to select the questions property, making sure that you are do not select the button property, do not select the button. So go to the questions property now. You beside the text or message, you also can have actions. For example, you may want to show certain hidden object, or you go to any slide if you answer correctly or incorrectly. So for example, now if I want to have a feedback, let's say for example a very dynamic or interesting feedback like flash, so I can just go to the select the right flash object.
Yes, you are
for example,
right.
This. So with a little, with this I can just put the feedback on this side. Let's say for example on the right hand side of this of questions. Okay, so what I need to do, I just need to hide this object. So this is how we're going to hide. Right click, sorry, I just do it again. Go to the object, select, right click and select hide object. Then provide a name. Let's say for example we can just call it correct. Click OK. So this button hidden. Maybe for incorrect, I would like to have also a flash
Incorrect.
with another effect. So I have another flash now. It's okay. Let me carefully select this and put it on the same area. So maybe this wrong. I need to just also hide it. Maybe I will hide it as incorrect or wrong. Okay. So under the question property, now what you need to do is just to add in the actions. For example, in this case, I remove the text message. I go to show hidden object, call correct, because this is where a correct answer. And then you may want to change the sound effect. If you don't like it, you can have another sound effect. For example, okay, so then you may for the wrong answer, so incorrect answer, you also may want to have a show hidden object, maybe call it wrong. Okay, so click OK and try and see how's the result. Like for example, now if I click on this answer, this is a wrong answer, click, so there's a sound effect and there's no feedback yet. The feedback is just purely a sound effect because you have given them twice option, 2 times. So if you do it wrongly again, in this round you will find the flash appear, the incorrect flash appear. Now let's try another round. In this round, let's say you get it right. For example, you get this authoring tools and got it.
Yes, you are right.
So here you go. So this is your feedback. So another word, actually you can have any kind of feedback. You just need to, what you need to do is just put it onto the slide and just hide it accordingly, and you will get the same results. So that's all for quiz, multiple choice quiz. Thank you.